this SUV can actually drive itself. Well, sort of. Yeah, it still wants me to drive. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the ICC. ACC Adaptive Cruise Control. With the Intelligent Cruise Control turned on, the lane centering and the speed is smoother compared to just the ACC. To activate it, switch is over here. Of course, you need to shift to the D. Right? Turn on, and you see that this is the distance that you want for the vehicle at the front. Okay, nearer is 1. If you want to go further, then 2, 3, 4. Right? Increase the speed and decrease the speed is over here. Can you see that? This one. 50, 55, 60. One click is 5 km per hour. Right? If you like flip it up and hold it, and you increase 1 by 1. I mean like 1 km per hour, 1 by 1. You see 56, 57, 58. Alright, see, flip down and hold. Alright. Then when you press the brakes, it will cancel it, or just press the button over here to deactivate it. And if to resume, just flip up. If you flip up, you're back to the speed that you set just now. If you want to set a new speed, just flip down to set. Okay, now let's try. Okay, let's turn it on. Was traveling 73, so when I turn on, you go to 73. Right, let's see how. It will slow down itself. I can adjust the distance over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the distance that you would like to have it. I would like to have 2. Right, then it will help me to keep it at the center of the lane. ICC activated. See, I'm resting my hands and foot. Let's increase the speed. Please turn the steering gently. Yeah. You still need to put your hands on the steering wheel. Okay, when overtaking, accelerating. Moving back. Slowly slow down back to 95.
Vehicle ahead has started. Please pay attention to the surroundings.
It will move automatically. Was 35, let's increase the speed. 75.
Vehicle ahead has driven away. Depress the accelerator pedal to start.
Yes, sometimes you need to press the accelerator. To resume, just flip up. Remember, no matter how intelligent it is to assist you, not replace. For more video about the BYD Sea Lion 7, for example, maybe Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, how to connect it, maybe you can check my video here. Thank you.